Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can restore a backup of your Hytale world. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to open up the Hytale launcher. Then you want to click on the settings button up here. Then you're going to want to click on Open Directory. Then you're going to want to go to the UserData folder. Then go to the Saves folder. Then open up the Save folder for the world you want to restore a backup of. Then you want to go into the Backup folder. And this is going to contain a bunch of zip folders of backups of your world. So pick one you want. The name of the folder will include the date and the time. So use that to help figure out which backup you want to use. Then you want to click on one of the zip folders once. Then right click on it. And then click on copy. Now you're going to want to go back into the save folder, which is just the name of your world. Then you're going to want to go into the universe folder. And you're going to want to delete everything in this folder. So just drag everything and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Then you want to right click and click on paste to paste in the zip folder. Now what you want to do is right click on your zip folder, then click on extract all, and then for select a destination and extract files, I want you to delete this part of the file path. So after universe / delete everything else. As we don't want to make a subfolder, we just want everything in the zip folder to be put in the universe folder. Then click on extract. Then you can delete the zip folder by clicking on it and then clicking the delete key. And that's all you need to do. You have successfully restored a backup version of your Hytale world. You can now close your Windows File Explorer, close the settings, and then click on play. And then you can go to Worlds. And as you can see, we modified it less than a minute ago because that's when we restored our backup. We're going to click on it. And a backup of the world was successfully restored. And that's all you have to do. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. And subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.